Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College commemorates Maharashtra Day with patriotic activities. On the auspicious occasion of Maharashtra Day, Majeedia School in Mominpura was abuzz with patriotic fervor as the students and its staff came together to celebrate the spirit of the state. The school organized a series of events aimed at instilling a sense of patriotism and national integrity among the students. The festivities kicked off with the ceremonial unfurling of the national flag by the esteemed headmistress Mrs. Nighat Rana. One of the highlights of the celebration was a tree plantation drive where students enthusiastically participated in planting saplings around the school premises. Additionally, an essay writing competition on the themes of patriotism and national integrity provided students with a platform to express their thoughts and ideas on what it means to be a responsible citizen of the nation. Furthermore, a speech competition was also held. The program culminated in a spirited rally aimed at promoting patriotism and national integrity among the wider community. Led by junior college teacher Mrs. Rashida Anjum, the rally saw participants marching proudly through the streets, waving flags and chanting slogans in honor of Maharashtra and its glorious heritage. Overall, the Maharashtra Day celebration at Majeedia School were a resounding success, served as a reminder of the importance of honoring our roots and working together towards a brighter and more harmonious future for Maharashtra and the nation as a whole.